In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the front bumper cover on a Toyota Rav4. So now that we've raised it from underneath, I'm going to start at the driver's side fender well, under and go over. You only have to undo this outer screw and this screw. So follow your bumper cover line, and those are the two screws, both on the passenger side and driver's side. 10mm socket, pull those back out. And now I'll go to the passenger side and do the same two screws. Now we're working from the center over. So I took my two bolts out on both sides, and there's 4 center bolts holding the undercarriage of that bumper cover to this splash shield. You don't have to take that splash shield down. 10mm socket, and we'll take all 4 of these out. And now we can lower it. So you can see the top mount. There's 2 push pins in the center, then 2 mounting bolts on either side. Now we're going to take this push pin out with a little trim tool. I like to use the fork style. Pull it right up. Both sides. Let's get that right there. Now we have 10mm socket, and we're going to take driver's side 2 out first. Then we'll move over to the passenger side. I'm going to do the outer side first, and then the inner one, just in case I balance the weight. So before you pull that bumper cover off, you have to pull it out from the trim piece underneath here. There's a mounting bracket, and it just clips in. Both sides are the same, passenger and driver side. I'm on the driver's side now, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to grab firmly down here and pull out, just like that. And then do the same to the passenger side. Work your way back to the center. So now we're ready to pull the bumper cover off, and what I do is I like to grab midway if I have a chance and hold it up on the top and just pull it out. Separate it from both sides. To put the front bumper back on, we're going to lift it up. Make sure it clears everything. I like to put it right in the center first, the best I can. Make sure you get that fender flared on each side. So make sure it's lined up. You can see it right there, and then you just take your hand and pop it in place, just like that. And do the same to the passenger side. Now I'm going to start from the top and work my way from the center out. Then we'll raise it up and put the rest of it on. 2 push pins right in the center. And then 4 bolts. They're 6mm by 1.0 pitch. $10mm socket, and let's snug those up. All right, now we can raise it up. Now that it's raised up, I'm going to put the 4 bolts in the front here where it's connected to that splash shield, and they're regular 6mm bolts. 10mm socket. Just put them all in straight across. And then the last one in the underneath here. And it's the same procedure on the passenger side. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.